You know what? In Ramacharita Tulsidas ji has mentioned that there has not born a single person in this earth who does not get intoxicated with pride when exalted with power and opulence. Name and fame lead to pride, and pride leads to a great downfall, as it had happened to King Nahusa. And yes, even Nahusa himself mentioned to King Yudhishthir when he got his deliverance uh, from his curse. He said that, "O righteous King Yudhishthir, remember one thing: the person who gets excess amount of wealth and power, he becomes uh, wicked-minded, and he definitely will have a great fall as I did." He gave his own example because he did the same mistake. He was a good king and he got everything, but when he got the pleasure of heaven and got the excess amount of power, he lost his mind, and even he dared to ask the revered rishis to carry him. And not only that, he also annoyed them with the word sarpa. Sarpa means move faster. And that too, he kicked the head part of Rishi Agastya. Thus, Rishi Agastya got furious and immediately he cursed him to become a sarpa. Anyways, immediately he fell down from the heaven and became a serpent, stayed in that one for thousands of years, waiting for a righteous king to come and rescue him. And you know, Yudhishthir was the only one who was that category. Because of him only, he was free from his curse. Thank you so much. Once again, I will meet you with some other stories some other days. But be careful that you should remember what is the result of excess pride. Thank you.